are estimated at 28.7 lakh crore rupees. To finance the market borrowings from estimated at 11.7 lakh crore. Financing is expected to come from small savings and others. Market borrowings are 2 lakh crore rupees. Part B. Part B. Taxes. Honorable in July 2024, comprehensive review of the Income Tax Act 1961. This will come into effect from 1st April 2026. The simplified income tax rules and forms will be notified, giving adequate time to taxpayers to acquaint themselves with its forms have been redesigned such that ordinary citizens ease of living, interest awarded by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, from income tax, and any TDS on this account. I propose to reduce TCS rate tour program package from the current 5% 2% without any TCS rate for pursuing purposes under the liberally known as LRS from 5%. Supply of manpower services is proposed to be specifically purpose of TDS to avoid ambiguity. Thus, will be at the rate of either 1% or 2% only. I propose wherein a rule-based automated process certificate instead of with the assessing officer holding securities in multiple companies depositories to accept Form 15G or form the investor and provide it directly to various relevant companies. I propose to extend time available for revising returns in March with the payment of a nominal fee. The timeline for filing of tax returns and ITR2 returns will continue to file, and non-audit business cases or trusts are proposed to be allowed time. TDS on sale by a years and his or her PAN-based plan, which is a temporary accounting number. To address practical issues of small taxpayers like students, tech employees, relocators, I propose to introduce a foreign asset disclosure scheme for these taxpayers. Income or assets. This scheme would be applicable for two categories of taxpayers: overseas income or assets, and B, overseas income tax but could not declare the asset acquired. For of undisclosed income or asset is proposed to be up to 1 crore rupees. They need market value of asset or as tax and 30% as additional income penalty and would thereby get immunity from prosecution. For cat value is proposed to be up to 5. Immunity from both penalty and prosecution will be available of 1 lakh rupees. Penalty and prosecution. Multiplicity of procedures of doing business. I propose to integrate assessment and penalty proceedings by way of there will be no interest liability on the taxpayer on the penalty irrespective of the outcome of appeal process. Quantum of prepayment is being reduced and will continue to be calculated tax demand. As an additional measure for reducing the taxpayers to update after reassessment proceedings have been initiated of the rate applicable for the relevant year. The assessing officer from penalty and prosecution in the cases of underreporting. I propose to apply this framework for immunity to the taxpayer will need to pay 100% of the tax amount as over and above the tax and interest due. Penalties for certain technical to get accounts audited, for pricing audit report, for financial transactions are proposed to be converted into fee. I propose to rationalize the Income Tax Act while maintaining in some serious offence. Of books of account and documents and requirement of TDS made in kind are being created. Further, minor offences the remaining prosecutions will only simple imprisonment with maximum imprisonment. Convert even those into fines. There's no penalty presently for immovable foreign assets with aggregate value less. Provide them with immunity from prosecution with 2020.